The race for Congressional District 2 has been a controversial one ever since the district's maps were redrawn.
But according to the Associated Press, 98% of the votes are in. Gabe Vasquez getting more than 50%, Yvette Herrell 49.7%. This evening, Herrell's campaign announcing she has officially conceded.
But as Action 7 News reporter John Cardinelli discovered, there may be more ahead. John.
That's right, Shelley and Doug. The Republican Party has a case coming up that will be heard by the state Supreme Court early next year, in which they will argue that District 2 is gerrymandered to give Democrats an advantage. We spoke with Gabe Vasquez today, who does not believe he won because of redrawn district lines.
It was a tight race for Congressional District 2 here in New Mexico. Democrat Gabe Vasquez beating incumbent Republican Yvette Herrell by just a few hundred votes.
I'm not sure if there's going to be a recount. I do know that the voters of New Mexico have spoken, and it seems like a decisive victory, although a very narrow victory.
The race has been a focal point after the district lines for CD2 were redrawn. In a statement last month, the head of the Republican Party here in New Mexico, Steve Pearce, said the legislature redrew lines that were a clear case of partisan gerrymandering. These new boundaries were strictly for Democrats' political gain. Do you believe you won off of gerrymandering at all?
Look, John, I declared my candidacy in September of 2021. That was before the district was even changed. And so I had no intention to run any other district than the one that was originally drawn. And I think that we won this because of the work that we put into this campaign.
The Republican Party is part of a state Supreme Court case that will be heard early next year. It claims the district boundaries were drawn to benefit the Democratic Party.
I don't know what the Supreme Court is going to do. And again, I ran in this district before the district had changed lines. And so I'm focused on bringing home results to New Mexicans in the next 2 years. And then whatever happens, we'll take it from there.
All three congressional districts in New Mexico are now run by Democrats. Vasquez told us he will listen to all voices, even the ones who didn't vote for him.
I want to work across party lines. I want to work in a bipartisan way to bring immigration reform, economic prosperity. Obviously protecting our water security in this state is so critically important.
Yvette Herrell's campaign did release a statement congratulating Vasquez on his victory, but saying in part, 2 years ago, the Democrats in Santa Fe announced they would gerrymander our district to ensure they would totally control our state's federal delegation. She went on to say the process puts the power in urban areas at the expense of rural New Mexico. I'm John Cardinelli reporting, KOAT Action 7 News.
We reached out to Steve Pearce today for an interview, but he was not available.